everyone, we're back with another video. We're doing Queen and Clarence drunk bowling with crazy friends. Let's get into it.
Don't want that. Don't want that. She got Alice.
Staring in a white dress.
Oh my God!
What you mean? What's up, YouTube? We are back with another vlog. So tonight, why did my lash do that? Tonight we are going bowling with some friends. Clarence is upstairs getting ready right now, and I just had a wonderful day today. I'm gonna save it. It's gonna be a surprise. I'm gonna say it later on, but I just did something that I've been wanting to do for a very long time for my personal channel, and so I'm super excited about that. So we decided to just, go have some fun with some friends tonight. My friends flew in. Dami flew in. Come here, come say hi. Dami and Brooke flew in. Come say hi, y'all. Come be in my vlog. Oh my gosh. Come in. And not only that, but y'all will also be meeting my doppelganger. Doppelganger? Doppelganger. Yeah, Shirley is coming today. Mod is in the back playing ball with CJ.
It's a full house.
And I think a few more people. My arm hurt. I always hurt holding this. But anyway, it's
hold it. I'll vlog.
You want to hold it? Oh, you're so cute. You're so pretty. Wait, hold on. Look at my friends, y'all.
Wait.
My friends is just cute.
That wasn't cute.
But let me show y'all something. I gotta give y'all an update. Okay. So these are the shells. So I ended up doing this, and I went to West Elm the other day, and I bought these two pieces right here from there. But this in the middle, I got from Amazon. And these are the paintings I had from the old house. But I'm gonna take and layer another picture over that, because that's what Momo said do. I think it's super cute. I bought some pampas to go in each of the vases, like some short pampas. And then when you go over to the other side, this is how I did the other side. So there's a little lady over here with a plant, the Chanel book, the whatever book that is, and the little Ocador, whatever it's called. But yeah, we put them over here. So tell me what you guys think about that. And my couch do look crusty right now. It looks sat on, but I did go and get this Hermes pillow. Clarence don't know that I went and snuck and got it, but I just had to do it. I got the pillow to it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that gray one. That one was gifted to us, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it on the couch. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But I also got the throw. It's kind of messed up a little bit right now, but I got the throw to go right here. So, it's coming together slowly but surely. And then I went and put this thing right here in the corner. And then we got a huge mirror coming next week. Oh, and then our coffee table right here is coming tomorrow. I'm excited. It's coming tomorrow. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about the new additions to...
I like her black and white theme, and I think the coffee table is going to be really nice there.
The Korea. Clarence is all dressed up. Let's do a little a drip check. So what is this?
Is your channel real?
No, man, this is our channel.
Oh. I'm about to say, I haven't seen you on your channel in a minute.
No. I told him I'm coming back a different way. It's gonna be fire. Let's do a drip check though. What you got on?
Okay, let me. Cool A6. You know what I'm saying? Calm A6.
What's
these? I don't even know. These were sent to me, but you see the brand right there. Yeah.
Real habits of...
I think it's like Happy Memories Die something early.
Real happy memories?
Yeah, real sad shit. White tee. You know what I'm saying?
Is that good fellas?
But there's no E on there. Bro, I don't know, bro. I don't know. It's a collab though. But calm Cuban. You know what I'm saying?
That is not calm, bro. You
calm. Double Cuban. No, it's calm. Calm. Yeah, I could have went crazier upstairs.
Could you?
Yeah, I could have threw it on the tennis joints too.
Oh yeah, no. We won't need.
But calm. You know what I'm saying? Just because sometimes I get I get hot a lot. Ice. You know what I mean?
Oh my God, bro. My God.
All right, Petty Claire. He said he get hot a lot, so he put on some ice. I see you, bro.
Chrome Hearts hat.
Okay. Calm. Nice.
Did you do yourself?
Oh.
I got you.
No, man. It's really...
No.
See, this is real... So this is just a... Okay, sis. A one piece from Wolford. I bought it yesterday.
Okay.
And some Ricks.
Okay, calm.
And the little Van Cleef. But, by the way, for my birthday, I want the Van Cleef that goes all around.
Okay,
Just
so
let me know.
let me
And
know
also,
early. Let me know early.
I want the
Okay.
Van Cleef that goes all around. My birthday next month.
Okay, copy.
And you know, some little gold earrings I got from, you know, I love my little hoops. I got these from Saks. I would put some, you know, just a little light. You know what I'm saying? Just a couple of, well, more than a couple of $100. You know, real gold though. Okay. And then I could have on my I could wear my glasses, but I wore them last time. We just go. Yeah, Brooke said don't cover up her makeup.
Nah, makeup too good today.
Yeah.
Makeup calm.
Yeah.
Calm.
Calm. So yeah, that's that.
Okay.
Hold on, wait. I need somebody else to come do a drip check. Come here, Shirley.
Wait, who else? Come on, Shirley. Come in there.
They didn't get to see Shirley.
You about to put everybody on the spot. You
Drip
too.
check. What you got on? What you got on?
Okay.
I forgot what these called.
Calm. Foam runners.
Yeah, that.
Okay.
Essential sweats.
Essential sweats.
Calm.
Name Collective. And
Wait, I never heard this. What is it?
Name Collective.
Nice.
This is fire. I ain't gonna lie. Like the way that zip up like that.
Calm.
Oh, super cute. That's blowout.
Calm.
What about mine? This is my. Oh,
I told him he's back. He's trying to get away.
They said they was waiting to see us together because, you know, they said we somewhat look like sisters, so. But yeah.
Who's next? Who's next?
Jump in
Come on.
I don't even got my whole shirt. My shirt is off right now.
Bro, so get your shirt. All right, we're going to go to Brooke because mine's taking too long.
This is the only drip I got.
Okay, calm.
What is it called?
The nice
Nike
tan will go with the pants. Okay, calm.
You see it?
Yeah.
I got a new bag, Basquiat. You feel me?
Very calm.
The glasses are super cute.
That bag is fire.
Did you cut this yourself?
I did. I definitely cut this
Okay,
myself.
glasses.
Pants, Forever 21.
Calm. Love it. Okay.
No, it's mine.
Come on.
You got on that gallery.
Okay, you got the
You want to start at the bottom? Okay.
High top dunks, you feel me?
Not the low ones.
And I got the lows too, but we got the high pandas on.
Not the low ones.
Essentials.
Okay, good.
Essentials.
Comfy.
Come on.
Very calm.
Black tee from Target. But we
Best
covered
tee.
it
Is that
with
good fella though? Is it good fella? Not Fruity Loop.
good fella.
Good fella.
Black tee.
We gotta edit that out because they be decent. The
What?
Target, they be sold out.
You can't be putting
Yeah, and then it's like,
Good fellow black tee. Oh, they're gonna be on you.
Yeah.
Good fellow black tees. They're amazing. Alright.
It's Hanes.
It's Hanes.
I like Brooke. I like
Feel
Brooke.
me? Long sleeve gallery.
Calm.
And then just to compliment the Gucci.
Okay, turn around. Okay.
Like the top. You
Not the
feel me?
plain back.
Not the
Not the
plain
plain
back.
back. Okay.
Hollywood got the plain back.
Cool,
This is
cool.
go with the Gucci bag, feel me?
He's from New York though.
You know?
Where is some from?
And look at the shape up. Look at the line. Keep the line in there.
Very calm. Come on, Dami. Come on, Dami.
I got on the choker. You know, came off my purse, but it's cute. It's a shirt from Amazon, but it's giving skin.
Yes.
The bands from Diva Boutique. You know,
With the pockets on them. With the pockets on them.
It's hard.
Come on.
Cargos.
Come on.
Denim cargos.
And on the feet.
And on the toes.
Little Louis on the feet.
It's a little shimmer.
But those the toes is done too. The toes is done too.
Very calm. We're about to head out now. That was just a quick drip check. See you when we get to the bowling alley.
Hi. We here, y'all. She's so pretty. Oh, she's so cute.
I like how they included everybody. That was so sweet.
Oh, wait, hold on. Okay. I'm vlogging this. All right. I'm having a little something tonight. Green tea. Green tea. This is something nice. Cheers. Wait. How you do the process?
Where mine at?
Big giant Jenga. Big coochie Jenga. Oh! You gotta take a shot.
That wasn't my fault though.
Take a shot.
That was your fault.
You gotta snatch it like you did something. You gotta take a shot. Take a shot or finish your drink. Ma did that.
Yeah, you're done. You're cold. Look, he already started us up bad. That was.
They don't got a rebuilder? Cause I'm not the rebuilder. You look so cool right now. Hold on, bro. Staring in the waitress. Babe, red lips and rosy cheeks.
Y'all are wild.
Oh, my back.
person, sis.
I've never made it drop.
I believe you as a person, sis, but not this. Not this. This is crazy.
Focus.
They on one little brick.
We believe in you, Queen. You could do it.
You see the girls have a back.
You next, man.
Yo, you gotta use one hand. You gotta use one hand.
That's Big J to let her use two.
Nah, we don't. Nobody
You still advocating for her.
Oh, you don't believe in me?
That's tough, sis.
Oh, now
I'm
you
not.
believe in me?
Yeah, I do.
You better believe in me.
Yeah, sis. That's tough.
Cause I'm gonna take this brick and whoop your ass.
That's right, Queen. Tell him.
Go, put it on the top. Put it on the top.
Oh, sorry.
Be careful now.
So now,
That's 2 for 2. Come on, Queen.
That's tough. I didn't believe. That's on me. I didn't believe.
I thought that's what
you're real touchy feely, boo. Ooh, okay. I know that's right. You next, sis.
Let's go, sis. I like that.
Nah, don't do that one. No. That might not be the one. You can only go 3 down, so you can go.
I know there's a 3 down rule. They keep saying there's no 3 down rule. It's a 3 down.
Yo, you gotta at least.
It's a 3 down. Yeah,
It's
it's a
true.
3
You
down.
gotta at least go 3 down.
That's 1, 2, 3 right
Go
here.
like right now. That's good.
It's leaning over there.
Yeah, but it's still
Y'all dragging it.
Nah, you're cheating.
Nah,
That's tough.
now.
He's already leaning that way.
That's the leaning tower of Pisa.
Pressure is on.
Yo, all these. Oh no, you can't be open it now. What the?
No, it's already leaning.
Queen, this one.
Go up one. Go over there.
Lean that way.
No, honestly.
You don't even want that, bro.
Yes, you do. Yes, sis.
You don't want that. You don't want that.
She got it.
Balance, sis.
She got it.
Oh, be careful, though. Be careful.
She got it.
You gotta take it out with
She got it.
Don't want that.
No, it's not gonna fall. Queen. It's not gonna fall. It's only gonna fall if you say
It's all about finesse.
All right, it ain't gonna fall.
It's
It's not
all
gonna
about
fall.
finesse, baby girl.
No, I ain't gonna lie. This shit, it's leaning.
No, you good.
It's been leaning. I took weight off of here, so these
You know what
two
you're
are
gonna do?
heavy.
You're gonna line the next person that go. That's what's gonna happen. You good. You good.
Come on.
You gotta wiggle. Give it a little
Clarence,
wiggle.
nah, don't touch
Move it back and forth. What?
Yeah.
Yo, you allowed to help your girl. You allowed to help your girl. Wiggle back and forth. Yeah, sis. I feel like Coach
No,
Carter
y'all
right now.
here, y'all.
I feel like Coach Carter right now.
Daddy!
I feel like Coach Carter right now.
That was good, though. That was good.
I tried. Y'all made it hard for me. That was my first time ever taking it off.
It's 1st to 10. Y'all gotta go 1. Y'all go turn.
Alright.
1. It's not like a challenge. Yeah.
Alright,
No, it's not 1st and 10. It's best out of 10.
Best out of 10.
Whoever makes the most out of 10 shots.
Let's get it. Y'all both take a test shot. Go ahead. You go first.
Come on, Queen.
No, this is a shot. Go ahead.
Okay, 0 for 1.
All right, 0-0.
Oh, shit.
Bro, I'm in this next.
Yeah, sure.
That's one.
Come on, Queen.
That's one.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay, Shirley played basketball. Come on, Queen.
That's it. Oh, my God.
Aim at that backboard.
Oh, there you go. It does count.
That does count.
Queen just made 3. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Queen's on fire.
Yeah, bitch.
Oh my God. She is way down.
Send me my money. Send me my money.
What's this for? Oh my God. That's 5.
That's 6.
6. That's 7. Oh my.
Wait, what is this?
It's 75. It's 75.
Wait, it was on his. It was out of 10 balls. It was out of 10 balls.
Go 1st and 10. 1st and 10.
1st to 10.
That's 7.
7.
Come on, Queen.
Come on, backboard. That backboard, man. Boom.
8-7.
Boom. There you go.
Oh,
Boom.
come on, Queen. Oh, my.
Good bet. That's a good bet. That's a good bet. That's okay.
You still did good. You
just lost me. You just lost me $50.
Nah, you had me. It's okay. Send the money. My mom.
I send it. I'm gonna send it right now. Y'all know this is the one. I know. Okay.
This is my stomach. Wait, my love, I need you to
How was that shot?
It's okay.
That was looking promising, but come on, she got it.
At least minimum 7. Minimum 7.
No! We got the same shot. Yeah, got me. Okay. That's okay.
Let's go, bro.
Similar, like, you know what I'm saying?
I mean,
Yeah, Brand.
Okay. I love ketchup.
Not bonding over ketchup.
Yo, see, Brooke puts her ketchup in the fridge too, and she's from the town. Yeah, that's bitch. Yeah.
you put your ketchup in the cabinet?
Yes.
You got watery ketchup.
No, y'all bugging.
No, I eat ketchup.
Yeah, but Queen is nice. That's a skill.
Is it really? Because
Look at that. That's a strike.
that is a strike. But it ain't got no motion though. Come on now, Queen.
That's what I'm saying. That's a
I ain't gonna. He's showing out for no reason. Come on, Queen. Oh my God. Look at her posture. That's it. That's the one. Just to let y'all know, I am Lauren. I got 22. Clarence got 46. Bryce got 20. I mean, no, you got this. You got this. Look, I don't know. Maybe it's from you. Maybe it's from you beating me and hooping. Every time I come here, y'all don't got no plans for me. Now we got plans. We got plans.
Whose idea was it?
It was Clarence's idea. Was it? It was.
I got y'all.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. This one was better. Like, wait, bro.
I got y'all.
I'm here. Oh, you may not let that girl do that.
Don't tell Clarence.
Ew.
Yo, this bathroom is insane. Because we literally could, I could reach over and use the men's sink. Wait, could I? Yeah, I could. Brooke is like confused. You can literally use the men's sink.
Oh, that's a. Oh.
Put your hand in there.
Wait, that's kind of.
Look.
Weird. I saw that.
You can literally get somebody's number like, hey, yeah.
That's what I was gonna say. I could really be like,
You want to hook up later on? Yeah.
I could be like, oh, you like the way that I wash my hands?
I'm dead.
Yeah. Wait, where's the water though? Where's the water?
Just keep it there. I'm dead. Not you move your hand around. Hold on, wait. Wait, where is the water? Oh, there we go.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You like the way I wash my hands?
You like the way I wash my hands? Yeah. You like the way I wash my hands?
They're having so much fun. I hope I do not get yellow march, y'all, but I'm doing this for y'all.
Oh, no, mine, man.
Twinkle toes is killing me, mine.
I'm not gonna lie, that was funny as shit. When he was doing his feet right here, I'm gonna have to show you that. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I got right in my first.
All right, come on.
Let's keep up, man.
When I see you. When I see you.
You never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on.
When I see you.
Come on.
When I see you.
Smack.
Where's your camera, bro?
Smack. I'm smack.
Just sign the bill.
Smack.
And let's go home.
Smack.
Let me take a picture of him, please. Wait, let me set you up nice. Hold on. Come on, get comfy.
Yeah, I'm comfy. Nice.
All right, come on. No, flash on. Period.
Do whatever. What's up?
That's your vlog, bro.
Okay.
It's something crazy on the vlog.
And then they just hand it to me. Like, what am I supposed
Here you go,
to do?
Clarence.
Okay. Alright, so basically, I won in bowling,
What?
except for him.
Yo, I beat him right here.
Yo, I won in bowling.
You could.
The only person that beat me was him. I'm not gonna lie.
Thank you. Thank you.
But this
Everything
kid,
else-
no, shut up, Tom. Vic,
You don't even got my face in this.
Vic, hold on. Vic brought his own bowling shoes, his own bowling ball, and I beat him.
He made me drink tonight. It is what it is, man.
What is that?
No. I just want you to say I beat you.
Just say it right here.
I beat him in basketball, bro.
No, Vic, I'm
I
telling
beat
you.
him in basketball.
Who won in bowling? Just say it right here.
I beat him in basketball. It's even, man.
Yo, bro, y'all favorite motivational speaker. I beat y'all. Hold on. He gonna say it right now. Hold on.
We won one.
Who won? No, who won?
He won in bowling.
Thank you.
Alright, who can hold it the longest? Who can hold it the longest? Alright, ready? Come on. Who can hold it the longest? Alright, 5.
We doing a headstand now?
4. Come on. 3. Alright. 1, 2 to go. 5. 4. 3. Mod, you look like a stick mod.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, I'm drunk.
Come on.
Yo, tricky man. I look like I jump in the bowl of cereal. Cinnamon.
That's the rule. It's fun and games and nobody don't hurt Queen, okay?
Because I'm gonna queen. I'm gonna hold you up. No, don't trust me. You said me, bitch. Yeah. Let me see. Brooke, you got a little marshmallow fluff.
Don't even. Hold on. Let's get it. No.
Brooke.
You don't need to be. You got it. Just put your head. There you go. There you go. Don't kick me. You gotta.
Brooke, just whatever you do, don't burn. I'm not gonna lie right now. To be a Wednesday night and I gotta wake up at 6 in the morning to get the kids to school, this is
is rough. This is. Hey, you only get one life, sis. Yo, our eternal life. So you know, we're literally having a meet up in my kitchen, waiting on some chicken quesadillas. B-Lou is on stream. The girls is over there talking about I don't know what. They got on my tab. They having their own conversation. They having their conversation with somebody on the phone. Mike is in his own zone. And Tony, what you doing?
Shit, chilling, man.
That's good, Tony.
I'ma get up.
This man,
Let me get up.
Let him get up.
all right. She done hurt this man. She done put him on the. Oh my God, Brooke. Mama's trying to drive to the corner. Walk in a straight line, both for y'all.
I would fall on the couch right now. Stop.
No, you're not. Y'all look like Bobby and Whitney.
What's the
Legend woke up, yo. We was getting super loud. So we never got to finish the rest of the vlog after Legend woke up when everybody was in the house. But it was a very, very long night. We ended up staying up till like, well, I know I ended up staying up till 7 in the morning so I could get CJ to school. Because had I fell asleep, y'all, CJ probably wasn't going to be going to school. So I stayed up. Clarence went to bed with Legend around like 4 in the morning. Because Legend woke up. That was like 2 something when Legend woke up. And they went back to bed at 4. So yeah, the rest of the night was a blur, but it was super fun. And
Like a lot of fun.
we spent the whole next day just napping. Everybody just spent the whole day napping. We didn't do nothing. Even Dami, like me and Dami fell asleep on the couch and took the longest nap ever. So today's Friday and we are here at Core Medical Skincare. And Clarence is about to get his first facial.
How do you spell La Roche-Posay? I don't know how to spell it.
Laroche. And then Posay is Posay. Yeah. Clarence is about to get his first facial by Dawn. Y'all know I've been going to Dawn. Say what's up, Dawn.
Hey.
But yeah, y'all, the fact that, I don't know, we chose to do that on a Wednesday night was super like spontaneous and crazy. It was really Clarence's idea for us to go bowling. But y'all know, it seems like the last time that we went bowling too, the same thing happened. So we probably should just do those on the weekends. But I just want to end this vlog out because we didn't get a chance to. And that's pretty much it. Let us know what you would like to see for the next video. I know, yeah, I don't know nothing actually. I forgot what I was about to say. But all right, y'all, peace out. And hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. They say peace out. Peace out.
Bye, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.